Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Cami. Cami is an extension used by Google Chrome to annotate on PDFs. That just means that you will be able to type on top of a document. So a PDF is helpful to visualize it as a picture. It's not something that you can edit, but with Cami, you're able to type on top of it and save the document and turn it in as an assignment or turn in a timesheet. In this particular example, I'm going to be doing a timesheet. Originally, the timesheet was sent to me in an Excel spreadsheet form. I converted it into a PDF. To access it, you will need to put it in your Google Drive. To access your Google Drive, make sure you're logged into your YCUSD Google account, and you can tell that by clicking on the icon and making sure that this is your YCUSD email. Next, click on the waffle, go to Google Drive, and I'm literally just going to drag the document from my desktop into my Google Drive. Okay, I now have the PDF in my Google Drive. Now I'm going to open it, and because I have Cami installed on my Chrome browser, you will have the option up here to open with Cami. You would click here to add a text box. You can select your font size and your font colors. I'm going to click where I would like to type. You can also edit the font by selecting and coming up to the top. And let's finish filling this out. And when you're done, you go up to the top, click Save, and save to My Drive. And when you go into your Google Drive, there is our timesheet. You can share this by clicking here, clicking Share, or you can download, and it saves it down here, and you can attach this to an email.